this is our experimental setup here. We've got our our power supply here, and here we have our ticker tape timer. So that's always plugged into the wall. We've got here for little padding of something or other for when we drop the weight. And we've got our little weight Duvalaki here, and we've got our ticker tape timer tape. Don't worry about the rest of that stuff, that's just the junk that I need. Alright, so essentially you get this all set up. Make sure that you've got this attached to the top there. Now, when you're, still getting used to this. When you come down here, notice how we've put it into, there it is, DC. Sorry, we haven't put it in DC, we've put it in AC. So essentially what this does, which I'll make sure that it's on. So this is going to be a little bit noisy, but essentially when we turn this on, you'll see, or you'll notice here that, I hope this isn't too loud, but you've got this little metal bit here and you've got some ink, and this is going to vibrate up and down at a frequency of 50 Hertz. So I turn on the power, and that is a gross noise, but you can kind of see it moving up and down. Alright? So that will be moving up and down at 50 times a second, which is what frequency is. So you need to get that all set up. Now if that was in DC, it wouldn't be able to move up and down like this because you haven't got the alternating currents. It would just stay locked down and we wouldn't be able to use it for our experiment. Alright, so essentially what you need to do is, so we've got our weight here. So this thing by itself is 50 grams, and then here we have our other 50 grams. So you get it all set up. Turn this on, get that going, put this over the edge, and then we just let it drop. So hit there. Once that's done, turn that off, and then you'll be able to check. You kind of see these dots on the paper. So that is the ticker tape going along and hitting it every time. So we're going to do that with 50 grams, 100 grams, 150 grams, and 200 grams. Alright, hopefully that helps. Alright, bye.